Hello and welcome to the project update. All right, so yesterday I said that today I was going to start working on the climbing system for like when you have climbable walls. All right, so the first thing I did was I created this. I opened up the test level. I created this wall of vines that has a static body with a that is. Oh, I put the wrong thing in the group. Hold on. Bones. All right. So I have these vines with a static body that is in the vines group and is on collision layer 1. So that's the first thing I did. And I realized, and then the next thing I did is I created a script for the wall climb state. It has basically nothing in it except for move amount. And then I thought about it for a moment, and I thought, how is this going to work? Well, I want the movement to be basically tied to animations. I believe that's how it works in. I'm not really sure how it works, but I do notice that when I play Legend of Zelda games and you're climbing walls and stuff or vines, your movement seems to be tied to the speed of the animation. So I thought maybe the first thing I should do is make the climbing animation. So that's what I did. And yeah, here they are. I've pretty much finished all of the animations as far as I can tell. Actually, there's probably one that I can probably do. That is the animation for going from standing to climbing the wall, but I haven't done that. Instead, I have. All right, so I'll just go through all of them one at a time. This is probably gonna be a pretty quick video. All right, so this one is for when the player is climbing the wall down with with his left foot. This is the same thing, but with his right foot. This is idle with his left foot up. Idle with his right foot up. This is him climbing, moving left with his left foot up. This is him moving left, or moving right. Wait, no. I've confused myself with my own naming convention, but basically, left foot up, but he's moving right. Right foot up, moving left. Right foot up, moving right. And climbing up, starting with his left foot. And I should call this right. There we go. That's probably better. Climbing up using his right foot, and climbing up using his left foot. So these are not imported into the engine yet. They're still kind of in the editor. For the most part, it's basically just moving his torso up and down, or up, or into position while moving his paying attention to which foot is rooted to the wall, and which hand is rooted to the wall. It's easier to do the up and down stuff because you can pretty much just make sure the hand and the foot that are rooted to the wall are stay still, while only the other ones move. Whereas with moving left or right, you kind of have to move both of them. You can't move them like at the same time. So he starts with one set and then he moves the other one. I made sure that the foot and the arm are like opposite of each other. So like he moves his left. So when he moves his right arm, he's moving his left foot, and when he's moving his left arm, he's moving his right foot. I think that's probably how people climb in real life if they climb sideways. And that's pretty much it that I did today. So I'm thinking that tomorrow I will create probably one more animation, that being for when you start on the ground and then latch onto the wall. I reckon it's probably going to be like a 2-second animation, maybe a 1-second animation, pretty quick. When I first created animations for this game, I found that I was making them way too long. It was way too sluggish. And I realized it's better to have fast animations that let the player just play, to make sure the player isn't sitting there watching something play out, and they can just get into the game faster. And that's what I've been doing with this. Anyways, that's pretty much all I'm gonna talk about today. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.